Hey guys, I just want to film this bird because he's just walking all around. I watch these things some mornings, not this one in particular, but they climb the tree and to get up them. They climb up the tree to get up the tree. Of course, all the trees here in Arizona are pretty short, and then of course you got a lot of thick brush, you know, or brush sucker growth and or natural growth and or, you know, in the tree. But he walked up to the guy's door a while ago. I don't know what the hell he wanted to go to his door for. We're going to knock on the door or what? This is my neighbor's yard. Just got a low battery prompt, and that distracted me. I lost the bird. See if I can find him here. He went around the corner. There he is. He took off. Okay, thumbs up, like, and subscribe. This is Cooling Your Jets. Cooling My Jets here in Gilbert, Arizona.